Hi, I wanted to share a dream that I had a couple of months back. I wasn't sure that I should share it, but I believe I got confirmation from the Lord to share it through some other people's videos, and I just want to be obedient. And so what happened in my dream, it was, I believe, a tribulation dream where I saw the earth at a distance. It was round and blue and vivid. The colors were extremely bright. I saw a protective layer around the earth. It was clear or nearly clear. It was visible to me. I saw balls of fire, what looked like asteroids to me, or splinters or bits of asteroids, some small, some larger, break through the protective layer, crack it, or break right through and start raining down on the earth. And at that moment, I was arguing with someone, and it's an area that I'm working on. I want to have a repentant heart and an obedient one. So I just wanted to share that. I believe that there are some Bible verses, scripture that relates to these types of events. Matthew 24:29, Revelation 8:7-12, Luke 21:11, and there are more related to the end times and